There's this one Amazon secret that made affiliates 4, if not 5 figures last year.
While others were bouncing between different business models or wasting time on strategies that don't even work,
this simple method blew up, and it's about to get even bigger in 2025.
Yes, Amazon affiliate marketing has been around for a while, but not like this.
This isn't just pasting links in a blog or hoping someone clicks through a TikTok.
Now, Amazon's rolled out something way more powerful, and most beginners don't even know it exists.
So in this video, we're going to show you how to prepare for this Amazon affiliate goldmine, Amazon Prime Day. We'll show you what products to promote based on data from 2024, how to promote it, and how even a beginner could succeed by following the right strategy.
And to make it even more fun, I'm challenging you to compete with us. We're officially kicking off the Amazon Prime Day Affiliate Challenge.
If you're a beginner, we'll give you the right strategies, the trending products, and even a step-by-step system to get you on the road. And if you can beat us in affiliate sales, you get to win a prize of your choice.
To enter, just join our private Discord. We'll give you exclusive tips, strategies, and a full community of affiliates prepping for Prime Day. But make sure to subscribe to the channel because we're going to be breaking down the full process, sharing our results right here on the channel, showing you the real numbers behind our Prime Day campaign.
And if you stick around to the end, we're going to show you the 6 Prime Day tactics that are given to you directly from Amazon that's going to help you succeed with this.
Now, in the past, Amazon Prime Day has always been known to be a 2-day event, but in 2025, Amazon are doubling it. 4 days of online buyers spread across 15 different countries, hungry, ready, and constantly looking for the best deals.
And in 2024, Prime Day generated over 12 billion USD in sales. That's more than Black Friday and Cyber Monday combined. Now, you've probably heard of Amazon FBA, where you sell your own physical products on Amazon, but let's be real, that comes up with high startup costs and inventory risk. So if that's what you're looking for, you might as well just click off the video.
Because instead of trying to become the next Amazon seller, you can just recommend products that are already trending and earn a commission when someone buys it.
This is through Amazon's affiliate program, Amazon Associates. Think of it as affiliate marketing with the biggest store in the world as your partner.
Now, here's the big idea. Once you become an Amazon affiliate, that's just one piece of the puzzle. Why? Because 99% of beginners make this one simple mistake. They wait until Prime Day to promote. But the good affiliates, the ones earning real commissions, they prep weeks in advance.
They're researching last year's bestsellers, they're building email lists, and they're making TikToks, shorts, blog posts, and wish lists with affiliate links ready to go. But why does this matter? Because Amazon affiliate links only last 24 hours.
That means if you wait until Prime Day to send traffic, you'll only have one shot at earning commissions, and your competitors will just be flooding the market.
But if you build your audience early by collecting emails or creating content that people come back to, you're gonna have a massive advantage. You can notify your audience exactly when Prime Day deals go live, forcing immediate clicks and commissions.
For example, you can write a blog post about last year's hottest deals and then tell your readers, want the best deals for 2025? Bookmark this page and sign up to our newsletter so you don't miss out.
This way, you're not just hoping for clicks on the day, you're creating a system to win the audience even before Prime Day starts. Prime Day isn't just a shopping event, it's a content game. And the best players, they've already got their list, scripts, and their content calendars mapped out.
But what exactly should you be preparing to promote? Let us show you what products and categories killed it in 2024 and what we're predicting to pop off this year based on real data.
Let's dive into them. Let's start with Amazon devices. Amazon always slashes prices on their own devices, and they're perfect for affiliate content because people already want them. Last year, Amazon's own devices were some of the hottest deals, like the 5th Gen Echo Dot, dropping to just $19.99 from $49.99. The 4K Fire TV stick going for $22.99 instead of $54.99. A Ring doorbell and Echo Show 5 bundle for only $64.99, down from $159.98. And the Kindle Paperwhite at just $99.99, which usually sells for $149.99. Our cheeky little affiliate tip is to use bundles and comparison content to increase click-through and basket size. Think of something like best Amazon smart home deals under $100.
Number 2 is laptops, tablets, and monitors. Now, tech always converts, especially when the deals are this strong. These are perfect for creators, students, or even remote workers. For laptops and tablets, we saw deals like the MacBook Air M1 drop to $749 from $999. We also saw the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 2 went for $499 instead of $699. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite hit $229, down from $349. And lastly, the Acer 127-inch monitor was just $119 compared to its usual $179. Our cheeky little affiliate tip, review content and setup guides, they build trust and increase conversion. Think of something like laptop setup for creators on a budget.
Number 3 is TVs, streaming, and entertainment. TV deals pull traffic fast, especially between the 55 to 65 inch range. That's the sweet spot. When it comes to TVs and home entertainment, the Insignia 55-inch Fire TV was just $249, down from $449. The Samsung 65-inch QLED 4K TV dropped to $699 from $1,099. You could get the Roku Ultra with voice remote for $69.99 instead of $99. And the Sony soundbar with the subwoofer went for $129, down from $229. Our cheeky little affiliate tip, people want to see if something's actually worth buying. They don't just want to hear the specs or features. So instead of just saying this TV is on sale, film your real-time thoughts while unboxing it, setting it up, or just testing it out.
Number 4 is smart home and kitchen. These deals are perfect if your audience love easy home gadgets or quick kitchen fixes. Last year, we saw the Roomba i3 Plus drop to $299 from $549. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp was $89 instead of $149. The Ninja Foodie Air Fryer Oven went for $129, down from $199. And the TP Link Smart Plugs 4-pack was just $29.99, down from $49.99. Our cheeky little affiliate tip, create listicle type content. For example, 5 Amazon Prime deals every smart home needs.
Number 5 is gaming. Gaming is great for impulse clicks. Even small accessories can drive huge volume if you target the right people. The Xbox Series S listed for $249, down from $299, with a free Game Pass. PS5 controllers at $49 instead of $74. 1TB SSDs were just $79, down from $149. And Nintendo games saw up to 40% off. Now, our cheeky little affiliate tip, dive into trending communities, things like Reddit and Twitter, with best Prime Day gaming upgrades lists.
Number 6 is fashion and essentials. Now these may not make the front headlines, but they fly off the shelves. We're talking wardrobe upgrades, gym gear, and everyday essentials people already plan to buy. They just need the right excuse. Fashion deals were hot last year, and we're predicting them to be hot this year too. Levi's 505s dropped to $39.99. Adidas Ultra Boosts were down to $89.99, and basics like Amazon's 6-pack tees were just $17.99. Plus, bulk household goods were 20 to 40% off. Perfect for curating value-packed cart combos that boost your affiliate earnings. Our cheeky little affiliate tip, run style versus price comparisons, or Prime Day haul content that mixes utility and lifestyle.
All right, let's get practical. If you've already got an audience, great. Post your affiliate links on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even send them out through your email lists. But for you, if you're just getting started, we've actually broke this down step by step in a video called How to Start an Affiliate Marketing Business for Under $200. In that video, you'll learn how to build your entire system, from writing blog posts to using email marketing effectively, and even creating short form content that actually converts. We'll leave a link down below.
You could even create a free newsletter and start collecting emails right now. Then on Prime Day, you can send out the hottest deals. And if they buy anything within 24 hours after clicking your Amazon affiliate link, you get paid.
Here's a little known bonus for affiliates. You can actually get people onto Amazon Prime Day before it even starts and get paid for it.
Amazon actually gives you a $3 commission for every sign up that you get for the 30-day free trial for Amazon Prime. And Prime is easy to sell. Free 2-day shipping, exclusive deals, Prime Video, it's got everything.
So whether you're writing a blog, sending a newsletter, or posting on your socials, you should always include a simple call to action. Something like, don't miss the exclusive deals. Try Amazon Prime free for 30 days.
Now, given you may be new to this, or you've probably just set up your Amazon Associates account, you're gonna need to know the rules and regulations. If you haven't made 3 qualified sales within the first 180 days, you won't have access to an API key. Enabling your API key means that any product price integrated on your website will automatically upload. If you haven't enabled your API API key, you will have to do it manually. And if you don't do it in time and Amazon finds the outdated price, you could be at risk of losing your Amazon Associates account.
Now, you don't need a crazy team or a full-time setup to succeed with this. These are the exact tools that we'll be using before and during the Prime Day rush. If you want to try them out, we'll leave a link in the description below. Number 1, V.io. This is for editing short-form content like TikToks, Reels, and Shorts. During Prime Day, we'll be using it to quickly react to trending deals and push content out in real time. Number 2, 11 Labs. If you're shy on camera, use AI voiceovers to create product reviews or deal highlights. No face needed, just value-packed videos that your audience will trust.
Number 3 is Hostinger. This is where we'll build our affiliate blogs and landing pages. We're setting up pre-Prime Day content now, so when the deals drop, we're ready to update and earn instantly. Now, number 4 is Fiverr. This one is optional, but you can hire a short-form video editor or a blog writer, especially video editing though. It is time consuming. So by finding someone to edit your short-form videos for you, it'll free you up to do other things like researching the trending deals. These tools keep everything simple, fast, and affordable, and we'll eventually show you how we use them for our challenge.
If you want to compete or even just keep up, make sure you join our private Discord. We'll be sharing templates, updates, trending products, and more behind-the-scenes tips daily. Let's wrap this up with something that you can actually use to build trust and credibility fast. Here are 6 Prime Day tips from Amazon that you can share with your audience. Number 1, become an Amazon Prime member. Let your audience know that they can get early access to all Prime Day deals with a free 30-day Prime trial. There's no upfront cost.
Number 2 is to use the Amazon app. Encourage them to turn on deal alerts in the Amazon app so they don't miss out on any new deals. Number 3 is creating an Amazon wish list.
Suggest they build a wish list ahead of time to track discounts easily and avoid impulse buying.
Number 4 is using Alexa for voice shopping. Remind them that they can ask Alexa for deals hands-free. Perfect for grabbing limited time offers fast.
Number 5, track deliveries with Alexa. Teach them that they can ask, Alexa, where's my stuff? To check order status instantly after buying.
Number 6 is to use Amazon Lens. Show them how snapping a photo with Amazon Lens can instantly find the exact item or close alternatives online.
Look, whether you're brand new or you're just burnt out from business models that never delivered, this is your moment.
We just walked you through how to prep for Prime Day the right way. The tools, the strategies, the offers, and the 6 tactics that Amazon gave us directly.
And don't forget, this isn't just theory. We're actually running the Affiliate Prime Day Challenge, and you can compete alongside us. If you beat us, you'll win a prize of your choosing. To join, hit the Discord. We'll leave a link in the description.
If this video helped, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.